Hi, welcome back. So before we move on to the energy balances, let me have another or additional information regarding the material balance. So like what I have said, it is bound to the law of conservation of mass. See. Okay, so if we consider this law of conservation of mass, this will lead to the mass or a material balance. Okay, so this will lead to the mass or material balance, like what we have presented earlier or on the last video. Okay, so meaning if there's no chemical changes occur during the operation. So no chemical changes occur. Okay, because we need to follow that mass is being conserved. Okay, so for example, in a say in a sugar producing plant, and we do the mass and material balance, and somehow some sugar is is being accumulated in the system, or say being burned. So we cannot account for this because this is an example of a chemical change that is happened on the sugar. Okay. So some sugar is being burned, so that is a chemical change. Okay, so in that case, in order for us to account for the unknown losses and needs to be identified, we can account this some burned sugar using our additional of losses in our equation. Okay. So all in all, the sugar that is being into the system must be also equal to the refined sugar, that is the material output, and some sugar that's stored in the plant, and some losses, which is our example there is if the some sugar is being burned during the process. Okay, so all in all, we need to remember this law, the conservation of mass, that wherein the mass is being conserved. Okay, so all in all, you can now summarize the diagram or the equation for the equation of the material balance. So we have the raw materials. This is our raw materials going in to the system. So this is our operation. We can have here some stored materials. P equal to our output, can be our product, our waste product, and we can also have our losses. Okay, so all in all, we have these three: the raw materials, is equal to this output, summation of material output plus stored plus the losses, mass of losses. Okay, wherein our output can be the product and some waste product. Okay, so that's all for the basic concept of the material balance. So on the next video, we're gonna discuss the basic principles of energy balance, which is exactly similar to the principle of this material balance. So see you on our next video.